Check out that color. Chief Blue. Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. Again, we're Chief Blue, black cloth interior, removable hardtop, 3-piece Freedom hardtop, painted to match. Have the cloth black seats, factory navigation, factory remote start, steering wheel controls, all the phone hookups you can need. Best four-wheel driving around. Passed the 100-point inspection with flying colors. We're going to buy you 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. Got the tow pack. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably. It's good nationwide. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. This thing passed the inspection with flying colors, the 100-point inspection. I tell you what, Jeeps come and beat up and babied. This one's been babied. There's not a lot of in between. People buy them to use them, or people buy them to keep them nice, and this one's nice. Tires are deep, oil's just been changed. You're ready to hit the road. Where do you find that color? Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota is where. Or see us at AutoramaAuto.com.